All right, the first half of chapter 4.2, this should look really familiar. This is almost identical to that paper I gave you, but this time, they give you the definition, this time they're showing you how to do it with rational exponents. Whenever you hear the word rational, it means a fraction or a number that can be written as a fraction. So 2 is a rational number because you can write it as 2 over 1. Okay, so we're just doing the same thing we've been doing, but we're doing fractions. So we're going to have to find the common denominator and do all that kind of fun stuff. Okay, we got to make sure bases are the same and all that kind of stuff too. So okay, so let's look at this really quick. So here I have the same base 2, and I'm multiplying, so I'm going to add my exponents. So I've got 2 to the 3/4 plus 1/2. Well, I need to find a common denominator, which is 4. So I have 2 to the 3/4 plus 2/4, because 1/2 is the same as 2/4. So I get 2 to the 5/4. That's the answer to that one. Now this one, this is 3 to the 1st power, but I need a common denominator, right? Because I need to subtract 1 minus 1/4. So I can put 4/4 here, because that's the same as 1. So 3 to the 4/4 minus 1/4 gives me 3 to the 3/4. Okay, so down here, we have a couple of options. We can distribute this 3 and put it in there, but since these are both square roots, I can put this under one square root sign. So in so many words, what I can do is I can do 20 divided by 5 to the 1/2 to the 3rd. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 to the 1/2 cubed. Well, 4 to the 1/2, that's the square root of 4, which is 2. 2 cubed is 8. And then finally, this one's a little different because we've got different bases and we have different exponents. So I'm going to distribute this 3 to both of these. So I get 5 to the 3/3 times 7 to the 3/4. So 3/3 is just 1. So this answer is 5 times 7 to the 3/4 power. You can't combine these because this one is in radical form. You're actually taking the 4th root and then doing that to the 3rd power. Okay. Again, this is properties and stuff that you know already. It's just we're expanding them to rational exponents. Okay, so for example, these you can do because they have the same index. Same thing here. You can combine them because they have the same index. All right, so using the properties of radicals to simplify. So in this case, instead of doing each one of these individually, I'm actually going to multiply. I'm going to put these together. And how do I know to do that? Well, it's a good thing to try and see where you're at. So 12 times 18 is 216. And these are both obviously to the 3rd, or has an index of 3, or the 3rd root. And this is a perfect cube. So the answer to this is 6. Okay, here I have both of these are to the 4th root, so I can combine these. So this can be, I guess I don't need a parenthesis, the 4th root of 80 divided by 5. Well, 80 divided by 5 is 16. So the 4th root of 16 is 2. Okay? So that is what I have for you. Your homework this time is on big ideas. And as always, if you have any questions, email me or put it on the discussion board or just let me know.